Hello, we dey welcome una come this ogbonge pidgin news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. Based on the Mathias wey tribunal judge yesterday for the favour of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Atiku wey be PDP presidential candidate and Peter Obi wey be Labour Party presidential candidate come provoke say dem no gree for dis kind of judgement. Dem say dem go carry the matter go Supreme Court. On Wednesday, the NLC come end their 2 days warning strike based on the Mathias of petrol fuel subsidy removal. Dem tok say dem get more complaint from pipo for the second day than the first day of the strike. And still upon that, the matter never still change. Former President MUHAMMADU BUHARI come dey happy with the way tribunal take handle the Mathias for the favour of President Bola Tinubu and members of the All Progressive Congress. He also happy with the way peace shele for we country during the judgment. OSIMHE OSHOALA don set record with 2023 Ballon d'Or nomination. The Super Eagles forward Victor OSIMHE don become the first male Nigerian footballer for over 24 years since after Nwankwo Kanu get this nomination for 1999. He don get the nomination for the Ballon d'Or award as Super Falcon star. They also nominate Asisat for the 2023 Ballon d'Or Women's Player of the Year award for the second time. OSIMHE don score 17 goals for 25 international matches. And with that, we don come to the end of the ogbonge pidgin news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. And make you dey shine like the star wey you be.